This is Chris with Linek Plumbing. We're here at 5036 Alexander, and we're out here TVing this sewer due to it's backing up and floor drain in the basement, and we can't get the line to, well, we got our cable out, but the line's still backing up. We've already replaced a section of pipe between the clean out front and the house. I ran my camera into this point 20 feet already from the outside clean out, and there's an object in the pipe keeping me from going any further. Not really sure exactly what's going on there, but this 20 feet does put us inside the basement in the house, and we have already located I'm going to go ahead and pull back out now and show you how nice the pipe is the rest of the way out. As I said before, line has been replaced from this cleanout into the house, and it looks to be in very good condition.